This week, we're going to be doing some journaling about how we're feeling. So I'm going to show you how to kind of do that journal and save it and send it to me. So you'll start by clicking where it says Daily Journal. That will bring up the assignment. And you'll notice that you can't type or move anything. That's because it's in view only. And whenever you have a document that says view only and you want to type in it or move something around, you go to File, Make a Copy, and we're just going to do this slide. So choose Selected Slides. Then you'll rename it. And so what I want you to do is put your name. So Zipporah, and this is day 1. And then press OK. Zipporah, I'm going to take that away, but Hadley, so I don't actually save it for you. Press OK, and it will open up a copy so that you can type and move around the emojis. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you're going to fill in the Today I Feel part by actually moving one of the emojis. And so I'm going to choose an emoji over here on the right hand side called calm, drag it to the circle, and you can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. And then over here where it says type here in this box, I want you to use complete sentences, capitalization, check your spelling, and tell me why you feel that way. So for example, I would say, I am feeling calm because I can do my school work from home, which means I can take a break whenever I feel like it. Okay, and if you want to give me more information, I'd love to hear it. Give me more details, whatever you feel like, but just really make sure you're using complete sentences, check your spelling, check your capitalization, punctuation. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and share it with me. So go up here to share, start typing in B for Brandy, hammock, make sure you get B hammock, and send it to me like you normally do. And we'll be doing this all the rest of the week. I'll leave the instructions up each day in case you forget how to do it. Have a good day, you guys.